In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion dashboard. We're going to build this using a template from the Notion marketplace. Then look around the different sections so you understand how it all fits together. By the end, you'll have a central hub where you can see your tasks, projects, notes, and more in one clean layout. Start by opening Notion and heading to your home area. This is where your main workspace and pages live, and it's the best place to create a dashboard you'll actually use every day. At the top, look for the option to create a new page or browse templates. Instead of starting from a blank page, we're going to speed things up by using a ready-made layout. Click into the Templates area and then choose the option to see more templates in the marketplace. This opens Notion's full template gallery, where a lot of creators have shared dashboards you can use and customize. In the marketplace search bar, type the word dashboard. You'll see a number of different options appear. Find a dashboard template that matches the one shown in this guide, then click on it to open the details page. Here, you can usually see a preview of the layout, so you know what you're getting. On this template page, click the Add button to bring it into your workspace. If you're asked where to add it, choose the workspace or private area where you want your main dashboard to live. Once it's added, you may see a prompt to open or view the template. Click on the option to see the template so it opens as a full Notion page. You'll now be inside your new dashboard. At the top, you should see the main dashboard title. This is your central hub. From here, the template will usually include several linked databases and navigation links. Take a moment to scroll slowly and see what's included. Click into the Tasks section. This is often a database where you can add to-dos, due dates, statuses, and priorities. You can start by adding a few sample tasks just to get a feel for how it works. Next, explore the Projects section. This is typically where you organize your bigger pieces of work or goals. Projects often link to tasks, so you can see everything related to a project in one place. Then check the Pages section, which is usually a collection of important reference pages or areas you want quick access to. Notes is where you can keep meeting notes, ideas, or research. Quick Capture is great for dumping ideas or tasks as they come to you, so nothing gets lost. Finally, the Daily Journal section gives you a space to reflect each day or track progress over time. Once you're familiar with these sections, you can start renaming, rearranging, or deleting anything you don't need, so the dashboard truly matches your workflow.